Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are having a great week. So the cold weather is here, at least where I live. I am so ready for the last few months of the year. Like I am fully embracing the cold weather, the holiday season right around the corner. I did my nails last night. I went for a dark color, which I don't normally do, but I was like, I'm just gonna embrace this time of the year. It's such a cozy, fun time of the year. There's so much going on and I'm ready for it. So in today's video, I wanted to show you what I got inside my FabFitFun box for winter. I love the green. I think it's very pretty, very calming, but it still feels wintry. So I do want to say thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video and just continuing to work with me here on my channel. So when you become a FabFitFun member, you get a customizable box 4 times a year with full-size products. And one of the reasons why I love FabFitFun so much is because I get to choose what comes inside my box. So it truly is customizable. There are so many good options in all different categories like beauty, even home decor products, fashion, fitness, wellness, and a lot of amazing brands. Like I've discovered some really good brands through FabFitFun, but I've also been able to choose products from some of my absolute favorites as well. The holiday season is right around the corner. Every time I see a countdown, I get a little bit nervous. Like I should probably plan ahead and start my shopping a little bit earlier this year because pretty much every year I wait until the last minute. But one of my favorite gifts to give, I've said this for years, is a FabFitFun membership because everyone who gets that gift honestly loves it so much. So that's a great idea. But on top of that, if you do want to get a jump start on your holiday shopping, make sure to take advantage of the flash sales. FabFitFun members get access to exclusive, like members only flash sales throughout the year. Of course, some of the biggest flash sales are right around the corner with Black Friday and Cyber Monday coming up in just a few weeks. So if you're a FabFitFun member, definitely take advantage of those sales. You can get up to 70% off so many brands, and it's a great way to get your holiday shopping done or started, but also save some money while getting great gifts as well. I definitely recommend trying FabFitFun, and they have a really good offer for the holiday season. If you use the code Andrea gift, you'll actually get a free gift at a value of over $200 when you sign up for a new annual membership. There are so many perks to the annual membership anyway. You get to choose your products first. You get first access to those flash sales that I was talking about, which is key because the products do sell out quickly. And then on top of that, your box ships more quickly. You save money by paying upfront. So I definitely recommend the annual membership. Plus right now you also get that free gift. If you do prefer to sign up for a seasonal membership, I do have a code as well. So you can use the code Andrea20 to get 20% off your first box. Each box has a value of up to $350. So with my code, you can get your first box for $47.99, which is such a good deal because in my winter box, I got like 3 products that were each worth more than the cost of the box itself. So let me jump into it and show you what I actually got inside my box. But again, I'll put a link and the codes in the description box below so you can try out FabFitFun for yourself. This first product is definitely one of my favorites. It's something that I personally wanted to purchase for myself for such a long time. I had one in my cart for months and then I just never purchased it. And I think it's because I'm not too adventurous when it comes to my hair, but this is a hair waver by the brand insert name here. I love the pink and white design. So this comes with an actual hair waver, but it also comes with a glove, which does come in handy if you have a tendency to burn yourself. I actually just burned my hand with my curling wand yesterday, so I feel like I should use this whenever I do my hair. This one is a 25mm hair waver. Now, I've never tried a hair waver. This was the first one I ever tried, and I did use it today to style my hair, and I like how it turned out. I think it's fun. It's a little bit different than what I typically do. I usually just use a curling wand and curl my hair away from my face, or I might straighten it. Sometimes I wear it in a bun, but again, I'm just not super adventurous with my hair. I actually do have naturally wavy hair, and it ends up looking somewhat like this, but not like as polished and smooth. So what I want to try next is like washing my hair at night using a little bit of a curling product and then sleeping on my hair, and then the next day using this to kind of touch up a few pieces. I feel like that would be perfect. So I'm just excited to finally have one of these. It was easier to use than I thought. Like I said, I did use it today, so I'll show you guys how it works and how I used it. If you have any tips or tricks when it comes to a hair waver, I would love to know because I am a little bit late to the game. I've never tried one of these. So I'm looking forward to using this even more. I think it's going to be so much fun to incorporate into my routine. And I love that they have this as an option. Such a good value. This is actually the retail value of this is $72, which is more than the winter box itself. I also chose the Grande Lash. This is something that I have tried in the past. I've used it on and off for years. I think the first time I tried it, I want to say it was like back in 2017. I was using a different lash serum and then I ran out of it. I actually haven't used a serum for probably about a month and a half at this point. So I figured this would be the perfect time to try this again. I do use the Grande Brow and I love that so much. It's really made a big difference for my brows. And like I said, I've tried this in the past. It was actually the first serum I ever tried. And when I initially tried it, my lashes were so damaged because I went through this phase where I was pretty much addicted to false lashes. And I wore like very thick, super heavy ones pretty much every single day. And then when I stopped wearing them, I noticed my natural lashes were so thin and they were just very weak and very brittle. So this helped me grow my natural lashes out. Anyway, I know so many people love this, so I am excited to try it out again. Like I said, it's been about like a month and a half since I've used any sort of serum on my eyes. So when that's the case, I do commit to using it like every single night for 3 months to see the best results. And usually I see results with serums like after 6 to 8 weeks, I would say. But after 3 full months, I'll usually go down to using it like every other night or every 2 nights for more of like a maintenance phase. But it really, these serums do work. And if you have very short lashes like me, it's really nice to have something that actually grows your lashes out. I don't know if I've ever gotten a fragrance in a FabFitFun box before. And normally I'm a big fan of like testing a fragrance ahead of time, but I was reading the notes and the notes sounded like the perfect fall fragrance. So this one is Dulce by the brand by Rosie Jane. So the notes are vanilla. It's very vanilla heavy, like very cozy, very warm. It also has hinoki wood and nude musk. I smell like a very cozy, warm vanilla fragrance. Like I picture like a fireplace, a big chunky like knit blanket, a cozy couch, a movie night, or like a walk in the woods when the snow is falling. Like that truly is the picture that comes to my mind. Oh wait, you know what this reminds me of? I don't know that the notes are really that similar, but it kind of reminds me of the Kayali pistachio fragrance, which I just got not too long ago, and I love that one. That one has like marshmallow, I want to say it has cotton candy, vanilla. I'm not completely sure, but this is so similar, honestly, but it has like a touch of spiciness to it the Kayali one doesn't have, which I think makes it maybe a little bit more ideal for the winter time. The packaging feels luxurious. Like this feels nice. I really enjoy it. I wore it yesterday and it did last all day long. It smells really nice. So I'm excited about this one. I'm glad I decided to choose it because sometimes with fragrance, you don't know, but if you do love like a good vanilla, warm, cozy scent, you'll enjoy it. So many people that I watch on YouTube talk about the brand Ana Luisa, and I've never tried anything from the brand. I don't think I have. So when I saw that these little earrings were available, I thought this would be the perfect time. Also, I just think that these are kind of fun for the winter season. I don't buy a lot of jewelry. I don't wear a ton of jewelry, but I have been getting more into earrings. And when I do wear earrings, it usually is like a very small, understated gold hoop or something very similar. What I like about these is they're kind of like double gold hoops. So they're a little bit more unique and they have these really pretty rhinestones on them. They're just kind of understated. So I thought they would be perfect for like everyday wear, but also if I was going to like a holiday party. So let me put them on. Okay, I got them in. It took me a minute because I'm actually really bad at putting earrings in. I feel like it always takes me 10 tries, but they're really cute. They're very small, like very understated, which I like. I honestly don't have hoops that are this small. And like obviously my hair is down today, so you can't really see them as much. But I do wear my hair in a low bun quite a bit these days. I don't always take the time to like fully do it or wear it down. Anyway, I do really like these. I think they're pretty. They're just like understated. They're dainty. They're so light too. Like a lot of my earrings are so heavy. So I usually end up taking them out like halfway through the day. And that's why I don't wear a ton of jewelry anyway. Like if it's uncomfortable, I don't usually want to wear it, but these are so light and cute. Okay, I think that these are so much fun. These are little faux fur earmuffs. I love the winter box because they do typically have very cozy items, but usually I do choose like a lot of beauty. I love beauty products. I love skincare, but I wanted to take advantage of the cozy theme and choose something something in that category as well. They do have a really nice robe that I think a lot of people are going to love, but I went with the faux fur earmuffs. I'm not a big hat person. Like, I'll wear a hat if it's cold outside and I need to, but we do a lot of things outside that I feel like I want to kind of look cute for. So I don't always want to like throw on a hat because they don't look as great on me as they do other people. So I thought these would be the perfect solution. Just some cute little earmuffs. I love them. I feel like they look kind of funny because I don't have a coat or like a scarf on or anything like that, but we do a lot of outdoor things. We go to like this really cute holiday parade. We go, well, this year we're going to go get a Christmas tree. Sometimes we go look at Christmas lights. Sometimes we'll go to New York City. So I just feel like sometimes it's nice to have something that's really cute. And of course, this is going to keep your ears warm as well. If it's very cold, obviously I'll go for a hat, but I prefer not to because I feel like a hat just completely ruins my hair, and it also ruins my makeup because like it just everything right here gets completely removed. So I like the idea of these cute little earmuffs. I think they're really fun. The last thing in here is a skincare product. I love getting skincare in my FabFitFun box, and I really like the brand Verse. They make a ton of great products. I love their gel cream moisturizer. I also really like their sunscreen. They have an amazing body exfoliator that's so good. So this is their Press Restart Gentle Retinol Serum. Retinol is amazing if you deal with fine lines or texture or acne scarring or clogged pores, because it basically works to kind of smooth over your skin over time. Like, that's a very simplified definition of what it does. So I've tried a lot of retinols in the past, and some of them are just so strong and they irritate my skin immediately. So I had never really, until fairly recently, like worked a retinol into my routine that I was using and wanting to use very regularly. I have some different formulas that I like for my face, but my neck and my chest are so sensitive that I really can't use most formulas on them. But I would like to, because I'm definitely seeing like some fine lines, especially on my neck. My neck right now is going through it. It's very irritated, very dry. So I'm not using this on my neck yet. But I did use it on my chest. I did use it on my face. It feels very gentle. It's very smooth. And when you apply it to the skin, it almost has like a almost like calming feel to it, which is so different than any other retinol I've tried. So obviously it's going to take me a little while to see if I can actually see results, and I'll come back and keep you updated. But I am happy to say it did not irritate my face or my chest, which is just kind of a nice change. I didn't experience any redness. It didn't burn my skin. And if you are new to retinol, I do recommend using it like once a week and then slowly building up your tolerance, then maybe like twice a week after a few weeks, maybe eventually every other night. I don't typically go in with retinol every night. I feel like that's just not what I love to do because my skin can be more sensitive, but I initially think this could be a good option if you have more sensitive skin. But I'll keep you posted once I use it a few more times. I do really like the brand Verse. I think they make some great products, so I'm happy to have this one. So that's everything I got inside my FabFitFun box for winter. I think it was such a good season. Honestly, there were a ton of cozy items, a lot of great home products as well. I tend to choose a lot of beauty and skincare because that's what I love, but if you love home decor, definitely take advantage of the winter box to get some great items. And I would love to know what you end up choosing for your box as well. There are some tough choices because there are a lot of great products, and I got 3 different products in my box that were worth more than the cost of the box itself. So a really great value box all around. Don't forget, I do have 2 different codes, whether you want to sign up for an annual membership or a seasonal membership. I'll put those on the screen for you and in the description box below, and I will see you very soon with a new one. Bye.